Good morning, students. Welcome to our online classes. Student, this is your computer class. Student, today I am going to start your first chapter of your book, and that is evaluation of your computer. Students, as you know, in previous lectures and video I explained this chapter, but today I am going to explain it again according to this book. This is your first chapter, evaluation of computer. Student, about this chapter I taught you in last video classes, but not according to this book. So today I am going to start this chapter according to this book. First, this is the introduction of computer, and it said the term of computer is derived from the words compute. It means to calculate, but apart from calculating. Okay, and in earlier computer were used only by the scientists and engineers for complex calculation, and in previous time, in earlier time, computers are very expensive. Now computer can be used in banks, hospitals, entertainment, media industry, homes, railway, and all around the world. So student, first topic is history of computer. The computer you look today has faced many steps and stages to be like this. For the development of computer, many devices were invented, and let us learn of some of them. It means computer comes now. Now student, you are seeing that computer, that is the modern form of these machines. We discuss them one by one. First is abacus. Abacus is the first device that allowed you to perform calculation. And student, as you know, in previous time we are using computer for only for calculations. So that computer comes from abacus. It was invented more than 5,000 years ago. It was made of wooden frame with rods, each having beads. As you can see in this picture, this is wooden frame, they are rods, and they circular rounding balls are called beads. It was used in China for counting. It was used to mathematical calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next is difference engine. Charles Babbage in 1822 designed the difference engine used to prepare mathematical table. This is the modern form of this, and it created by Charles Babbage. As you know, Charles Babbage is the father of computer, is known as father of computer. It had many similarity with the modern computer. So student, next is Pascaline calculator, Pascaline machine. Pascal add-in machine or Pascaline machine. In the year of 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented a adding machine called Pascal calculator. It was made up of gears, wheels and dials. As you can see in this picture. Okay. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. It was capable for performing addition and subtraction. The gear principle was further used in the many mechanical calculators. Taximeter is a perfect example of your mechanical calculator. So student, next is Leibniz calculator. It was improved upon Pascal adding machine. Means this is the modern form of Pascaline. This is mainly made of steel and copper. So student, he is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is a British mathematician who originated to concept of programmable computer, is known as the father of computer. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. He invented two working model of mechanical computer that called difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine consists of 5 units: input, output, store, mails, control. It was capable for performing all the basic arithmetic operation and computations. Analytical engine was based on the concept of IPO. Okay students. So students, now I am going to stop this video and I will explain remaining points in next video. Student, kindly read this chapter yourself. After the explanation of the chapter, I will start exercise. Thank you so much.